So I noticed there's a lot of Parisians like running. They just run. I mean, the runners. See right there, there's like so many runners all over Paris. Oh, I think I have to make sure my bag is covered under the umbrella because I don't want it to get wet. And can you see it's raining really hard now? So this is why I like. Oh shoot, my mic. So this is why I like traveling during the summer, because it doesn't rain. Well, sometimes. Well, most of the time it doesn't rain. And we're getting to the what do you call it? The Carrousel du Arc de Triomphe, which is I guess like the mini version of the Arc de Triomphe. Look at that! It's like it's sunny, but it's raining. Yeah, the building looks so cool, and look at all the are those bushes or yeah, or hedges? Look at that. And then there's the Eiffel Tower right there. I'll do another 360 so you can see the scope of it. Look at it, so many runners. There's more right there. They just pass me left and right. Oh look, there's certain umbrellas, like French umbrellas with like Notre Dame, Eiffel Tower, like all the places I've visited. And here you go, here's the Arc de Triomphe, the Carrousel. Oops. Okay, I think it stopped raining. Okay, it stopped. Okay, got rid of my umbrella, and now I can show this. And as you can see, there's no rain because there's no rain falling onto the puddles. And there it is again. Go this way, and there's more on this side, right here, up and down. I have to watch out for that puddle. And then we're back here at the Louvre Museum with the pyramids, or the big pyramid and little pyramids. Oh my God, there's still so many people in line to get into the Louvre. Wow. Okay, since last time I walked that way, this time I'm gonna walk this way. So you can see. And there's the Arc de Triomphe du Carrousel. I'll do another 360. This place is massive. Like all the buildings that you're seeing, that's like part of the Louvre Museum. So what you're seeing is like the above ground, and they have more like below ground. Isn't that awesome? Look, there's so many people, so many tourists. Okay, I think it's time to cross. And then look at that right there. Doesn't that look cool? And we're back here at the pyramid. Okay, I'm just gonna walk around here at the pyramid, and then I'm gonna go to Palais Royal. So you can see like I think it's a garden, the Palais Royal Gardens, or square. But look, there's so many people. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look. Even when it's raining, there's so many people waiting in line. Okay, I'll do my 360. I love the pyramids. Pyramid. Because there's only one. The big one, which is right there. Oh, but where's the sun? Why am I so dark? Okay, I guess I have to go like that, but you can't see the top. Otherwise, I'm gonna be black or dark. There's the Louvre. Okay, so I'm gonna go to that building right there, and I'm gonna go through it, and the other side is gonna be the Palais Royal. Look at all the people. I wonder how long they waited in line. Oh my gosh. Look, there's more on the other side right there. Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. It's cray cray. That is cray cray. Wow. Okay, I'll show more of the pyramid. Since probably the last time you're gonna see the pyramid in my videos. Yeah, look at the little pyramid. I want to look down. You can't see anything. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, look at the line goes all the way back there. Jesus Christ. So now I go this way. Look at that. Look at all the people. I think this is like the group tour line to go into the Louvre. So I guess they don't have to wait as long compared to the individual. Oh, it's a priority entrance. See? Visitors in groups. Look, you can see the Louvre right there.